Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace battery on Ford Edge Key Fob Easy Method. First, gather a small flathead screwdriver and a CR2032 battery. Open the fob by releasing the physical key and gently prying the halves apart. Remove the old battery, note its orientation, and install the new CR2032 with the plus side up. Snap the case closed and test each button to confirm signal and range. Before you begin, clear a tidy workspace and lay down a soft cloth to protect the fob. Use a small flathead screwdriver to pry open the seam gently, working from the physical key slot. Remove the old CR2032 carefully, noting how it sits, then place the new battery in the same orientation. Reassemble the case securely and test the key fob buttons from a short distance to confirm operation. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more handy tutorials. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep easy and keep your lunch mess-free, perfect for busy routines or roadside snacks while working on your car. I linked the product and other deals in the description for easy access. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Start by releasing the physical key and locating the seam where the two halves meet. Pry gently with a small flathead screwdriver until the case separates, then remove the battery holder. Swap out the old CR2032 for the new one, ensuring the plus side faces up. Reassemble the fob by aligning the halves and pressing them together until they click, then test the lock, unlock, and panic buttons to confirm a good connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.